When you use Revit MEP to design an electrical power system, you can include cable tray. Although useful for modeling and placement purposes, the cable tray elements are not part of the logical electrical system and do not provide analytical information to other connected elements. On the Home tab, click Cable Tray, then specify an offset value, and draw the tray along the desired path. The cable tray type parameters control what fittings are used at elbows and T's and at vertical segments when you change the offset at any point in the tray run. The With Fittings family type will display the seam lines at cable tray fittings, while the Without Fittings family type will place the fittings without the seam lines. You can edit the fitting parameters directly in the drawing area. Placing cable tray is just one phase in the process of creating an electrical power system.